Hi friends, welcome to YumVegCooking, and today we are making the very delicious falafel balls, and this is the last dish in our Mediterranean series that we're going to share with you. We really hope that you've loved this series and you're so going to try all of them together. So let's get started with the falafel balls. So what I've done is I've soaked chickpeas overnight. I've taken around 2.5 cups of chickpeas, and these are just soaked. I've not boiled them. So I'm putting cilantro and garlic and chilies in this, some salt, so around 1.5 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, and 1 tablespoon of cumin powder. So now I'm just gonna mix them together. So this is like a very simple recipe. All you have to do is take soaked chickpeas, put some spices in it, and then blend them in a blender. And we also add a lot of lemon juice, so around 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. To blend this, first we'll blend the coriander or cilantro, and this will only take like 2 minutes, and then we'll put the chickpeas, the garlic, the spices and the lemon juice in it, and then blend it all together until we get a coarse consistency. After we blend it together, then we just have to deep fry the balls, and this is a very simple recipe. It'll be ready before you know it. All you have to do is take some soaked chickpeas and blend them with spices. Take some boiled chickpeas, blend them to make a nice hummus, and you'll be all set. Do check out our hummus recipe. I'll link it in the description box below. For now, I'm adding some binding. So I've taken around 3 tablespoons of chickpea flour. You can also add all-purpose flour or breadcrumbs, whatever you want. We just need some binding. After putting the binding, please put this in the fridge. After putting in the fridge and taking it out, it's not going to break in the oil, so that's a very important tip. So now I'm just trying to make some patties like a tikki, but you can roll it into any desired shape. And then in medium to hot oil, we'll deep fry them for like 5 to 7 minutes, flipping them halfway through. And look at the amazing golden brown color that it's getting. So I'm just gonna fry it from the other side too for 3 to 4 minutes. And it's all ready. So we'll just take it out from the pan and just look at them, how delicious they are. And so now to eat the whole platter together, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my pita bread, slice it into half, put some hummus, spread it nice and evenly, and then I'm gonna break the falafel balls and put it inside, put some fattoush salad, and then top it up with some yogurt tahini dip. So you can find all these recipes on our channel, on our page. Do like them. Please subscribe to our channel. Enjoy this delicious Mediterranean spread that we've put on the table. I'm sure you'll love it. If you have visitors in the house, surprise them with this new menu on the table. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for many more unique recipes. Thank you for watching.